in the previous questions, they have directly given the linear equations. But here, now the above questions from 3, here there are some situations. So we need to form the linear equations from the given situations. First, let's take the third question. Neha went to shop to purchase some pants and skirts. So the question is depending on pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts are 2 less than the twice the number of pants. So the equations are depending on skirts and pants. So we'll take number of skirts is equals to x and number of pants is equals to y. Now read the question. The number of skirts are, that means as the number of skirts is denoted by x, x is equals to 2 less than the twice the number of pants purchased. That means if 2y, see, the number of skirts are 2 less than the twice the number of pants purchased. Twice the number of pants is 2y. So twice the number of pants kanna 2 takku undi. Takku undi means we need to keep difference. And the second situation is number of skirts. That means x is 4 less than the 4 times the number of pants purchased. That means 4y number of pants purchased cheste denikanna 4 takku unnayanta. So the number of skirts, that means x is equals to 4 less than the 4 times the number of pants purchased. 4 times the number of pants ante, as number of pants is equals to y, 4 times means 4y. So 4y minus 4 is the second situation. Now I'll write these two, I'll convert these two into general form. So x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. What is the general form we know? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 is the general form. So I have taken all the terms to one side. Now here this one also I will convert to the general form, that is x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. And this general form is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So after getting the equation, we need to find whether these are consistent or inconsistent or parallel. So if I take the ratios a1 by a2, that is equals to, a1 is 1, the coefficient of x, that is 1, by a2 is again 1, comma, b1 is, b1 by b2 is, we know b1 is minus 2 and b2 is minus 4. Minus gets cancelled, this is equals to 1 by 2. And the third c1 by c2 is 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. So we need to help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha bought. So if we can find the point of intersection of these two lines, we can get the number of pants and skirts. So here a1 by a2, how I am saying that point of intersection is the answer? Because a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This means the equations that we have formed are consistent. That means it has only the one point of intersection. That means one point is intersecting. If those two lines intersect, we only get one point. That point satisfies the number of pants and skirts. So we'll check that graphically. Now I'll take the first equation, that is x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. I'll put x is equals to 0. I'll get 2y is equals to minus 2. Y is equals to minus 2 by minus 2. On cancellation, this is equals to 1. That means the point is 0, 1 for the first equation. And we'll find second point. If I put y is equals to 0, I'll get x plus 2 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to minus 2. Now I'll find here the point is minus 2, 0. Now I'll find points to the other equation. The other equation is x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. I'll put x is equals to 0 first. On taking x is equals to 0, we get this term to be 0. Therefore, minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. Minus 4y is equals to minus 4. Y is equals to minus 4 by 4. This is equals to 1. Now I will take y is equals to 0. On taking y is equals to 0, this total term gets 0. Therefore, x plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4. So the point here is minus 4, 0 and the point here is 0, 1. So for the two equations, we got 2 points. Now we'll put it on graph. So for the first equation, points are 0, 1, minus 2, 0. 0, 1, this is 0, 1 and the other point is minus 2, 0. So if I join these 2 points, I'll get a line like this. This is the first line. This line is x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. I'll put other 2 values, that is 0, 1 is the 1 point, 0, 1 and the other point is minus 4, 0. The other point is here, this is minus 4, 0. So on joining these 2 lines, I get in this manner. So these 2 lines are touching at the point 0, 1. So this is x and this is y. 0, 1 point is satisfying 2 equations. That means this is the required solution. Required solution where the value of x is 0. That means number of skirts that she bought is 0 and the value of y is 1 and the number of pants that she bought is 1. So she did not get skirts. Skirts konaledu. She only bought pants. Is the answer.
To learn with Vguru, join us, download our app in Play Store. Have a happy learning.